Hello everyone, welcome to CSC Power Live Show. This is Cici.
This is Flo.
Today I'm talking you guys for our children machine and ice machine to you guys.
If you are interested in our products,
We will be start from ice machine, so will be me the first to introduce for you guys. So you can be let's maybe in 30 minutes later. I talking you guys at first. Today I'm talking you guys. Hello everyone, this is Cici from CSC Power. Today I'm talking you guys to see our home brand ice machines. We CSC Power have majored in refrigeration field for over 15 years and we have already exported to over 100 countries. We are trying to comment down below if you need any more information about us and the machines. Before starting introduce, I want to show you how to follow us and get catalog. You can find your screen and you can find a follow button. You can click follow to follow us, and on the button you can see the catalog button, and you can click here to get a catalog to contact us, and also you can give me a like to give us a support. And I also want to introduce our special information for this live show. If you follow us or you get a catalog to send information to us, you can get 2% off for your orders. And you can also share our live show links, also get 2% off again. And let me show you more discounts. You can see, you can make a screenshot for this paper. If you order 5,000, you can get $100 off and gift. If you order more than 20,000, you can get 500 off and gift. If you order 15,000 order, you can get 15,000 off and gift. If you order 100,000, you can get 3,000 off and gifts. If you order 200,000, get 60,000 off and gift. In other words, more orders, more discounts and gifts for you. And also show you how to watch our live show in your cell phone, because when you turn up our live show link, you can find the following item in the upper right corner, like watch the live show on the mobile. And yes, you can find your list on your site, watch the live show on mobile. And if you can put your mouse on the watch the live show on mobile, and a QR code will show automatic. And then you can scan this QR code and find Alibaba app in your phone, and you can open it. Click the QR code function in the up left corner to scan, and in the second step, and now you can download Alibaba and watch our live show on the phone. For our CSC Power ice machine, including block ice machine, cube ice machine, flake ice machine, act. But for the time is place limited, today I want to show you our mini cube ice machine. For our hot items cube ice machine, we have two different daily ice production capacity for the ice. One kind is from 30 kilograms to 900 kilograms in 24 hours, and the other is from 1 ton to 100 tons in 24 hours based on your request and the project details. And you can send an inquiry, click the catalog to get more information, and we will introduce which one is suitable for you. And its production is stable and can be reached 90% to 95% even in the summer. And when the ambient temperature is lower than 20 degrees, input water temp is lower than 25 degrees. Its production can be reached 100% to 130% for you. And our ice machine with lower power consumption only consumes you 70 to 85 kilowatts per hour and per ton. Compared with other small ice machines, our CSC Power ice machine is energy saving rate reach more than 30% for you. Cube ice machine is very suitable for your summer life, and you can get a cold drink in everywhere and every time whenever you like. Cube ice machine is widely used in hotels, restaurants, bars, fast food shops, seafood shops, chain store, drink shop, and any other place where need eatable cube ice and meet global customer needs. Let's go this way. Hello, could you help me turn the light? Yes, turn the lighting on. Yeah, turn yourself on. You can stand this way. Stand this way, yes, okay. Let we all close the door at first because I want to show you the appearance at first. Here I want to show you our 30 kilograms in 24 hours cube ice machine for you. Our small ice machine voltage and frequency always, not always is single phase 220 volt and 50 hertz for you. But if your country city is not suitable for this voltage or frequency, we also can customize for you. So don't worry about the voltage and frequency. This cube ice machine is very small size and with less daily capacity for ice. So you can put it on the home using also. It consumes around 270 watts only, very convenient and effective. You can get cold drinks everywhere and whenever once when you have this cube ice machine. Now, all you see is the outward or appearance of the cube ice maker. It is vertical type, you can see. It's very straight. And the dimension is 46 by 43 and 80 centimeters. It is air cooling style. The main parts of the CSC Power ice machine have compressor, evaporator, water-cooled condenser, expansion valve PLC program control system, and electrical components act. You can find three main parts on the appearance of this cube ice machine. You can see the black door. This is black door and PLC controlling panel, and this is air cooling condenser. In cooling process, the condenser will output the heat and then make the refrigeration to making ice. Our CSC Power is automatic operation. It adopts PLC program centralized control. Self-adaptation for the ambient temperature, self-adjustable for the ice thickness, automatic water supplying ice freeze and ice falling. No requiring too many adjustments, so you don't need to be waiting beside the machine when you're making ice or kneading ice. Okay, let us open the door. You can see it's making ice now, and we can see a small ice bin here. It's empty now because we just turned on this eye machine around 15 minutes. The bin capacity is around 10 kg, 10 kilograms. The cube ice will be stored here when the ice formed auto. Yeah, the cube machine will store here. And here we also provide you a free shovel. Yeah, it's free. You can use this shovel to crush the cube ice plate and take the ice out. We have three different cube ice sizes for you. You can see the ice at first. It's very clear. So we have three different cube ice for you. I'll take single one for you, show you guys. Yeah, for this. Two different cube ice size, 22 by 22 by 22 millimeters, 29 by 29 by 29 millimeters, and 29 by 29 and 22 millimeters. You can let us know which one you prefer. When you order and talking out with our sales, we can customize and choose a suitable size for you. And you can see the you can see the cube ice is transparent, crystal, hard, regular, beautiful, storable, sanitary, and completely meet the international standard requirements for the illegal ice. Yeah. Because our ice machine adopts food grade, or you can see the materials in your eyes. All materials of our cube ice machine is food grade stainless 304 material for the whole machine, and the special design for the water channel and ice discharge, convenient automatic cleaning function, so that the ice is transparent and safety for you. Meet the QS inspection requirements for you. Yeah, you can see the ice. We will show you the ice again later. And then let's go into the list ice making part. You can see around 40 grid here. This is evaporator. It is very important for ice machine. And the ice will be formed in 5 minutes, I think. So you guys can see the ice formed later. You can see the grid here. Cube ice will be formed in the grid. Total 40 pieces cube mold. When making ice, water will flow through evaporator surface like this for freezing ice. And when ice thawed, the ice plate will be de-iced and restart to making the new cube ice again and again, around 10 minutes per circle per round. So we don't need to wait beside the machine all the time. This ice machine is easy run after you connecting the electricity and the water. We will also attach you a menu and the video together when shipping. And we also supply you online support all the time, so you don't need to afraid you don't know how to run in this machine. It's very easy. You can save this video and this live show video when the live show finish. Then you can see. Let me fill the ice machine. We can wait a moment. If you're interested in our larger cube ice machine, welcome to comment down below and click the catalog. Let me show you how to get catalog again. Yeah. You will see these things on your phone, and you can click the bottom yellow button. This is catalog button. you can click catalog to contact us. Because when you make this movement, you will be getting to contact us. Then our sales will send you a catalog for our ice machines, and you can check which daily capacity you need. And you will also please help to follow us. You can click here to follow us, and also give us a like to give us support. And if you make order now, we also give you a special discount. When you follow us and get the catalog, you can make a screenshot to us. Then our sales can register for you. Then you will get 2% off on your orders. And you also can share our live show links. Also get more 2% off again. Maybe this paper is more convenient for you. You can make a screenshot. When you order 5,000, you can get 100 US dollar 100 off and a gift. When you order 20,000, you can get 500 off and gift. When you order 15,000, you can get 15. When you order 50,000, you can get 1,500 off and gift. When you order 100,000, you can get 3,000 off and gift. When you order 200,000, you can get 6,000 off and gift. In other words, more orders, more details. More orders, more discount and gift. Sorry. And let's go into the ice machine. I want to show you others. You guys can watching the ice forming here. I will be talking you guys around on other details about CSC power. Our CSC power, the major products is Calderon, ice machine, solar products, and generator. But now our main part for you guys is Calderon and ice machine. Now our guys see is our cube ice machine. We CSC power have major in refrigeration field over 15 years, and we have already exported to over 100 countries. If you want to know if your countries have been included, you can send us information or comment down below or click the catalog button. Our sales will show you how many countries we have exported and our orders on Alibaba for you. And our hot items for cube ice machine is cube ice machine. Most hot is 500 kilograms, but it is too big to take in here, so maybe we can show you in the following live show. Today we show you is this 30 kilograms cube ice machine. For the small size and less daily capacity, you can use in your home, and when you're in the outside, you can take this out if you have solar products. And if you have interested in our larger daily ice capacity, let's stop here. You can see the ice will be formed in minutes. the ice will be falling down in the bin auto. It is controlled by PLC control system. Yes, let me show you ice. You can see because the ice is not much now, so it will be one by one for you. You don't need to crush them. You can see the ice very transparent and like crystal. When ice falling down, the new ice will be formed and start again and again. You can see the water follows through the surface of evaporator. It is restarting making ice now. If you have interested in our larger cube ice machine, you can comment down below and click the catalog. We have our large ice machine is from 1 ton to up to 100 tons in 24 hours for commercial and industrial using both based on your details and the project details. Welcome to comment down below and click the catalog and our ice machine and be matched with our full auto ice packing system when using. And then you can pack the ice cube into plastic bags directly from the machine, which can guarantee the ice to be sanitary and clean. Meanwhile, it can reduce labor greatly for you. For the new guys here, I want to show you the ice again. This one is our hot sales mini cube ice machine. Let me take the phone. I turn the light. This one is our hot items cube ice machine. It is 30 kilograms in per 24 hour. In 24 hours, this is our minimum daily ice capacity. So you guys see. Wait a second. This is our 30 kilograms in 24 hours cube ice maker. It is single phase 220 voltage and 50 hertz. But if your country's city power is different, don't worry about it. We can customize for you. This cube ice machine is very small size with less daily ice capacity, so you can put it on your home also. It is consists around 270 wattage only, very convenient and effective. You can get your cold drinks everywhere and whenever once you have this cube ice machine. And now RLC is the outward of cube ice maker. It is a vertical type. It is very strict. The dimension size and the length, width and height is 46 by 43 and 80 centimeters. Air cooling type. The main parts of the CNC power ice machine have compressor, evaporator, water cool condenser, expansion valve, PLC program control, electrical components, and so on. You can see three main parts on the appearance of this 30 kilograms ice machine. You can see here. Black door PLC controlling panel, and this one is air cooling condenser. In cooling programs, the condenser would output heat, then make refrigerations to condense, and then for making ice. And you can find the PLC controlling panel. Our CSC Power Ice machine is automatic operation. Its automatic operation, it adopts PLC program centralized control, self-adaptation for ambient temperature, self-adjustable for ice thickness, automatic water supply, ice freezing and ice falling. So no requirement to manual adjustment. It's full autos for you, very convenient. Now let us open the door. We can see the ice is making now in the ice making process, right? We can see a small ice bin. The bin capacity is around 10 kilograms. The cube ice will be stored here when the cube ice falls here. Yes. The bin capacity is around 10 kilograms. Have a height, more height, yes. And we also have free shovels for you. You can use these to crush the cube ice plate and take the ice out. You can see the ice. Around 10 to 15 minutes for each circle for ice. And you can see the ice, small ice here. I take one as a sample, show you all of that. We have 3 different cube ice sizes for you. 22 by 22 by 22 millimeters, 29 by 29 by 29 millimeters, and 29 by 29 and 22 millimeters. You can let us know which dimension of cube ice you prefer when you order or talking the details with our sales. Our sales also very recommend you a most suitable. When you get this ice machine, you can get your cold drink in everything. The ice is making, we can feel the ice falling down in 10 minutes. And our cube ice machine is food grade 304 stainless steel, so the ice is eatable. You don't afraid to the safety the ice. You can see the cube ice. It is transparent, crystal, hard, regular, beautiful, storable, sanitary, and completely meet the each national standard requirements for the edible ice. Yes, it is for the food grade stainless steel 304 materials for the whole machine, and the special design for the water. Special design for the water channel and ice discharging outlets. Very convenient automatic cleaning function. So the ice is very safety and transparent for all you guys. Meet the QS inspection requirements. Now all you can see this part. This ice making part is very important. This is evaporator. You can see the grid here. The cube ice will be formed in the grid. Total 40 pieces cube mold. 40 pieces total here. And when ice making, you can see now the water flowing through the evaporator surface to freeze out. If you put your fingers here when you get this machine, you can feel the ice front. Yes. When ice making, the water will flowing through the evaporator surface to freeze ice. When the ice forms, it will be auto de-icing and restart to making new ice again and again. So we don't need to wait beside the machine all the time. Now we waiting the beside is for all the dance showing. It can easily running after connecting the electricity and the water. We will also attach you a manual and a video together when shipping. And we also supply you online support all the time. You don't be afraid of you don't know how to do running this machine. We are always here to provide assistance for you. This ice machine is very small for personal usage. So if you're interested in our larger cube ice machine, welcome to comment down below and click the catalog. And our ice machine also can be matched with our full auto ice packing system. When you use it, then you can pack this ice cube into a plastic bag directly from the machine, which can guarantee the ice to be sanitary and clean. Meanwhile, it can reduce the labor rate for you. Don't forget, our cube ice machine has two different daily ice production range. One kind is from 30 kilograms to 900 kilograms in 24 hours, and the other is from 1 ton to 100 tons, yes, up to 100 tons in 24 hours. Same as our other ice machine, we also have flake ice machine, block ice machine, and so on. Both of them have both of models. All of our ice machines have 1 ton to 100 tons in 24 hours. Very suitable for your industrial and commercial usage. Based on your request and the project details, you can click the catalog button and contact our sales and send your questions and your project details. Our sales will recommend you a best solution based on the details you send. Our CSC Power Ice machine production is stable and can reach 90% in 90% even in summer, even in hot summer, when the ambient temperature is lower than. Yes, you can see the ice will be formed again here. Yes, you can see. It will be formed down also. So we don't need to wait all time. And it will be formed down and crushing by itself. You can put on your Coke and other drinks directly. You can put whatever you like. Don't be scared. Let me show the ice. Very clear. Very clearly. So you can put the ice on the drinks you want. Yes. More helpful to show the Coke. I take the ice to the cup first. One by one. Yes, have to fill the code. Yeah. Okay. So when you have this ice machine, you can get cold drinks, even cold wine, whatever you want, in everywhere and whenever you want. I put in on here. You guys can see. And the ice machine is restart the next circle to make new icing now. Our CSC power ice machine production is stable and can reach 90% to 95% even in hot summer, and when ambient temperature is lower than 20 degrees. Input water temperature is lower than 25 degrees. Its production can be reached 100% to 130%, very stable. In our ice machine with lower power consumption, only consumes bill 70 to 85 kilowatt in per hour and for per tons. Compared with other small ice cube machines, its energy saving rate reach more than 30% for you. Cube ice machine is widely used in hotels, restaurants, bars, fast food shops, seafood shops, chain stores, drink shops, and any place needing illegal ice. I will show it. Let's go into a lighter place to show you the ice and the cold. Now you guys can see this ice clearly. You can see the cube ice. It is transparent, crystal, hard, regular, beautiful, durable, sanitary, and completely meet the international standards requirements for edible ice. Because our ice machine adopts food-grade stainless steel 304 materials for the whole machine and special design for the water channel and the ice discharge outlet. Convenient automatic cleaning function so that the ice is to be sanitary and transparent. Meet the QS inspection and requirement. It is edible so you don't be afraid of the safety of the ice. As long as the water and the electricity is safe, the ice is safe. Now, let me show you our special discount for this for our live show. You can click to follow us and the catalog. You can get 200% off. I will show you how to follow us and catalog in a few minutes, so don't worry. And you can share our live show link. You can get 2% off the gift. And you can see this. You can make a screenshot here and send to ourselves. If you order 5,000, you can get $100 off and gifts. If you order 20,000, you can get 500 off and gifts. Yeah, this is a special discount for all you guys for this live show. You can make 3 screenshots to remember, how you remember more easily. So if you order 5,000, you can get $100 off and gifts. If you order 20,000, you can get 500 off and gifts. If you order 15,000, you can get 1,500 off and gifts. If you order 100,000, you can get 3,000 off and gifts. If you order 200,000, you can get 600 off and gifts. In other words, more orders, more discount and gift for you. With CSC Power always provides the best solution and gift and the discount for you guys. We also provide one-stop service for you guys. And let me show you how to watch our live show in your cell phone. If you turn up the live show link on your internet, you can find the following items in the upper right corner. Here, you can see watch the live show on the mobile and put your mouse on the watch the live show on mobile. The QR mode will be show automatic, and then you can make your phone to scan this QR code. Then you can find Alibaba app in your phone, and please open this app. Click the QR code function. Click here function to scan the QR code in the second step. Then you can download Alibaba app and watching the CSC Power Live show in your cell phone. With CSC Power have engaged in refrigeration field over 15 years. So we also have exported over 100 countries. Welcome to click the catalog to talk with our sales, and we will send you how many countries we have exported. If you want to know if your countries have exported ever, you can comment down below. We will tell you more. Our CSC Power main product is ice machine and cold room. Our CSC Power have engaged in refrigeration field over 15 years. The ice machine Our CSC Power have majored in refrigeration field 15 years. And today I want to show you our guide is for ice machine and cold room. The ice machine part is gonna be finished in few moments. The following time will be my colleague Flo to show you guys. She will show you our cold room panels and our cold room projector in other countries for you. In this video, you can see it very clearly. And she will also show you our controlling box. The controlling box and our cold room panels details. If you have any question about this, you can comment down below and send inquiry and catalog. And we will show you our cold room sample. Cold room panels Follow panels for you guys quick understand. Don't worry about this. So now the following time will be 4 times. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you for the amazing introduction of ice machine of Stacy. Now, I will introduce another selling product of our company, Coral. Our Coral so well in many countries. We have exported our coral to all over the world, especially to America, Europe, and Africa. Now, let me introduce the panel of coral firstly. This is a main material of coral, and it's a panel. For the panel, we usually use PU. It is a good in solution performance, and its density is 14 kg to 42 kg. If customer need other techniques, we can also do. And if you want the panel in other material like EPS sandwich panel, we can also make it for you, and the price will be cheaper. Generally, the thickness of the coral panel is 75 millimeter, 100 millimeter, 120 millimeter, 150 millimeter, and 200 millimeter. 75 millimeter and 100 millimeter is suitable for coral temperature above 0 degree centigrade. It is suitable for store fruit and vegetables. And the panel of 120 millimeter is suitable for coral temperature of negative of 18 negative 18 degree. And the panel 120 millimeter is suitable for coral, which temperature is 18 negative degree, and it's suitable to store fish and meat. It is work as storage freezer. And 150 millimeter and 200 millimeter panel are suitable for coral temperature of below 18 degree to use for plastic freezer. For surface of coral panel, we usually use colorful steel and stainless steel, single size or double size, to store different goods and use coral in different class. You will have different choice. For example, to store fish and meat, we do require one set of stainless steel surface panel, one set colorful steel. Or if the coral will be installed in near sea area, we do require double set of stainless steel panel to avoid corruption and for local supply life. Yes, this is all information about the panel of the cold room. Now let me introduce the door of cold room to you. Here we go.
Leo want to attend this show again. Show with you together.
Okay.
Hello. For coral panels, you can see we have different types. Sometimes have hook, and sometimes not have. You can see this one have no hook. This style with the hook. When you install the coral panel, you can use the hook to join the structure of the coral panel, like this. You can take out the hook by the machines here, and you can connect the hook with another panels here, just like this. And this connect the hook. The door will be strong. Before we make the two panels together, we need to fill the foam here and here. Then we take out the hook. Then connect the hook with another panels like this. In normally installations, after you connect the panel together, we can fill the sealants here to make better insulation and better installations. If you want to this type of panels, there's no hook. It's very easy to connect and separate. If your cold room is need separate in future, you can choose this one. It's very easy to install. Just fill the foam here and connect the cold room panel together. But it is not strong enough for the cold room. If you need work the cold room for long terms, you'd better choose this one. And normally we will use this one for our cold room. The structure with hook is more strong. And structure for this type is not strong enough. As you can see, you can easily to remove from another panel. If you use this one, there's no this problems. Okay, let me show you that, and the coral panel will not drop. For this type, connect, it will easily drop. If you need the cold room, you can tell us what size of cold room do you need and what temperature of cold room do you need. The size will influence the compressor unit size and the cold room size. It is influenced much in the full cost of the cold room project. And if you tell me the temperature, we can make a design for compressor unit and air cooler and the cold room panel thickness. If you need a cold room above zero temperature, you can choose the 75 millimeters cold room panel. And if you will store the fish or meat, you may need the cold room with minus 80 degree Then the cold room panel, you can choose 120 millimeter or 150 millimeters. And if you need a lower temperature, like minus 30, minus 35, you can choose 200 millimeters cold room panels. And if you use the cold room in the seaside, you can also use the stainless steel type color steel in the two sides of the PU materials, polyurethane materials, to make the cold room more strong and anti-corrosion. And normally we will use the color steel material for the cold room panels. We have different thickness, like minus like 0.3 millimeters color steel, 0.5 millimeters color steel, and 0.6 and 0.7. It depends on your demand. It influences some part of the strong of the cold room panel. As you can see, the steel structure in the two sides of the polyurethane materials, it will influence the strength of the panels. Especially your cold room is very high, you need to use the color steel material to make the cold panel more strong. And if you will install for small cold room and you have cost limited, you can choose a thin color steel materials, and you can choose about 0.3 millimeters color steel to make the cold room panel. So, as my above description, if you want to if you want to let us to make recommend for cold room, you can tell me or my colleagues the size and temperature of the cold room, so that we can make a design for you as soon as possible. And if you have project for a cold room, you'd better give us the drawing of your cold room project and the local situations, like the storage food and the ambient temperature and the cold room temperature and others information. It is very helpful for us to make a design for cold room. It is, and more information you tell us, we will make a better recommend to you. Okay. Here we have different thickness of cold room panels. Catalog. Here is a catalog of our cold room product. Like you can see the thickness and the temperature of cold room. Here is the panel thickness, like the 75 millimeters. Normally the temperature will above minus 5 degrees. And for the 100 millimeters cold room panels, the temperature is suitable for about minus 25 degrees. And for 150 millimeters coral panels, the temperature is suitable for minus 35 degrees. And for the 200 millimeter coral panels, it is suitable for coral with temperature minus 45. And this is important part for the coral design because it will influence many information for the coral design, especially in the cost. For the coral project, about 31% is the panel's cost. So we need to make sure what coral panel we need. And the next brother will introduce our coral doll for you.
Do we have special discount?
Yes, we have special discounts. Here is our special discount for this live show. Can you see? Okay. If you order $5,000, you will get $100 off and gift. If you order $20,000, you will get $500 off and gift. If you order if you order $15,000, you will get $1,500 off and gift. And if you order $100,000, you will get $3,000 off and gift. If you order $200,000, you will get $6,000 off and gift. So if you order more, you will get more discounts and gift. If you are interested in our products, welcome to inquire at any time. We will provide you good service and good product. Okay. Now, here on the screen is the panel of the coral. And this is our factory. There are many coral panels. And
All this is a production line for coating panels.
okay.
This is also our production line for the polyurethane panels. This is our production line. The workers is producing PU panel now. This is inject the PU foam. The PU panel like a sandwich. This process is use the model to make the PU panels. The two sides of panels color steel already fixed in the machine, and the workers inject the foams to make the PU panels. This is inject the foams of PU materials, polyurethane materials.
Okay, now let me introduce the cold room doors for you. Here on the screen is the corridor. For the corridor, we have single hand door and double swing door, sliding door, rolling door. Corridors usage will depend much on the size of corridor and customers' requirements. We can decide the corridor according to your requirements. Different corridor will have different size. For example, single hatch door, it is manual and its size is 0.8 meter plus 1.8 meter. And for the double cylinder, the size is 1.6 plus 2.0 meter. And for the sliding door, the size is 1.8 plus 2 meters. And for the rolling door, the size is 2.2 plus 3 meters. Both sizes are some general size. The size customized is warmly welcome. If you need other size, you can send your inquiry to us. And for the surface of corridors, we usually suppress colorful steels or stainless steels. For the thickness of corridors, we will decide by the usage of corridor and usually set as thickness of corridors panels like 100 millimeters, 150 millimeters, and so on. And here I introduce the column light. For the column light, we will always use LED lights. There are 8 There are 8 watt, 10 watt, and 15 watt, 20 watt for you to choose. With different size and height of the coral, we will decide different type and quantity of LED lights. And about the compressor units, we supply all most popular ones. We have German Borg, Italy Recomp, US Copeland, Man Europe, and German Business, etc. And Chinese band like Chinese Business, Fusions, and so on. You can tell me which band do you prefer, and we can choose this compressor unit for you. And compressor unit also have different types. Core compressor unit, piston compressor units, cool compressor units, double stage compressor units, and so on. Compressor units also divided to different groups by different temperatures, like high temperature compressor unit, medium temperature compressor units, and low temperature compressor units. When choosing compressor unit used for cool rooms, we will always take many elements into consideration, like total cooling capacity needed, evaporating temperature, condensing temperature, ambient temperature, input and output temperature of goods, working hours, and so on. When you get certain inquiry for cool room, please feel free to contact us. Our engineers will make special designs for you by special requirements. Okay. Let me repeat our special discounts for this live show. If you order $5,000, you will get 100 of a gift. And if you order $20,000, you will get 500 of a gift. If you order $15, you will get 1,500 of a gift. If you order $100,000, you will get 3,000 of a gift. If you order $200,000, you will get 6,000 of a gift. So if you order more, you will get more discounts and gifts. If you are interested in our products, welcome to inquire at any time. We will answer your requirement as soon as possible.
And Flo, how to get catwalk?
The moment. Here you can see on the mobile screen. Okay. Let's see on the screen. Here you can see here is a button of control. You can hit this button and to contact us, and we will send catalog to you. And here is to give us like. And here is follow. You can click follow to follow us. And here is the product information. Click here, you can see more information about the product. If you have any question, you can also leave your message and we will answer your question. Okay, now if you are watching our live show on your computer, here is the way to watch the live show on your mobile phone. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. And first of all, by following the icon in upper right corner, and secondly, put your mouse on the watch live on mobile, and QR code will show automated. And the step is by Alibaba app in your phone and open it. And finally, click QR code function in the right left corner to screen QR code in second step. The first step is shown on the screen, as you can see here. If you have any question about that, you can also tell me your question, and we will help you. This is another special discount for this live show. If you click follow us or get capital, you will get another 2% off. And if you show our live channel link, you will get 2% off again. I think this is a very big discount. There's still a part of Coral is about refrigerants. For the refrigerants, we usually use F22 and F4048. There are some difference between these two. F22 is a little cheaper than F4048. F404 is eco-friendly and well used all over the world. And expect for upper two types. If customer need other type, you can also supply F1348, F407C, F507, and so on. Now, my colleague Leo will introduce more information about Coral for you.
Some customer ask for how to install the GROM. Here is a drawing how to install the Coral GROM. Okay, now let me introduce how to install the cold room floor. This one is the drawing of how to install the floor. As you can see, this is cold room panel. This side is vertical. This one, cold room panel. And this one is cold room panel, is the main part of cold room. And for the floor, you can see here. Normally, for the big cold room, we use XPS material for cold room insulation. The size of XPS insulation layer have 50 millimeter. If you want to use the 100 millimeters XPS materials, you can use two piece XPS. Then this layer will be 100 millimeters. And firstly, in the installations, we need firstly tamping the floor. Many cold room projects installed in the town or other place, the earth is need tamping to make the earth more strong, make ground more strong, to make the cold rooms have good fundamental. After we tamping the floor, then we need add a layer of the concrete here, this one. Concrete reinforce the concrete. Tamping the floor and add a concrete layer. After add the concrete layer, we put the XPS layer here. This layer. And about the XPS layers, we make a plastic film one pore barrier. It is for the moisture environment. Many cold rooms used for storage meat or feed. It may have a waters flow above the cold room. If the waters flows to the ground, it will influence the insulation result. So we need to add a waterproof layer here below the XPS materials. And next, we add a reinforced concrete above the XPS materials to make a strong ground to drive the forklift and the cars into the cold room, and to put the product like the fish, vegetables, and other material. In the corner of the cold room, we add a concrete parapet wall. We can see, we can show you some project with this design. Please note the thickness of EPS insulation layers should be the same as cold room panels. It means if you order a cold room panel with 100 millimeters, you can use the 2-piece 50 millimeters XPS panels to make the XPS material with 100 millimeters thickness. And next, I will show you some project of with XPS installation. Okay. You can see this part is the corner of cold room. It is used the concrete to make the structure more strong. This one is sliding door for the cold room. Here we make a structure of concrete. This one is the corner of cold room. This layer is above the tamping ground. To add a concrete layer, then put some waterproof materials. Then we add the XPS panels above this concrete. This work